black pepper shrimp, cashew rice ball or black pepper shrimp, cashew rice or black pepper shrimp, cashew. Pilaf, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cashew recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes and one of the most different of the pilaf recipes and one of the most delicious of the shrimp recipes and one of the most different of the prawns recipes and one of the most unique of the rice ball recipes and one of the most different of the shrimp recipes for dinner. Today we are going to make black pepper shrimp cashew rice. We have taken around 300 to 350 grams of shrimp which we have peeled and taken off the head and taken off cleaned the intestines. Heat the pan and put in pan with oil. Let the oil get heat. Put in the shells. Start a bit. Put in the ginger. Chop the onion. Now put in 2 curry leaves. Put in the garlic. Sauce the garlic. Put in the ground cashew chili mixture. Try the mix. Let it mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Saute. Keep on stirring. Now put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in the cleaned and leaving shrimp. Mix thoroughly. Put in a spoon of black pepper powder. Thoroughly. Pour in 100 ml of water into which tamarind has been squeezed. 50 grams of tamarind has been squeezed. Mix and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 5 to 6 minutes. Pour in 2 cups of water and let it boil. Mix. Now put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let the mixture cook for 8 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the black pepper, shrimp, cashew, rice bowl is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper, shrimp, cashew, rice bowl, or black pepper, shrimp, cashew pilaf, or black pepper, shrimp, cashew rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the shrimp recipes for dinner, and one of the most unique of the shrimp recipes, and one of the most different of the prawns recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the rice recipes, and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes, and one of the most delicious of the cashew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button.